And here, in the pressure cooker, half a kilo of pork shoulder of this size. Cover with water. And we're only going to leave it under pressure for 15 minutes. And here our meat is ready. Let the water drain. Meanwhile, we're going to cut a lot of ginger, all like this, in slices. The more ginger, the tastier it gets. It's called Shogayaki, right? And now, yes, really thin. And then here, after finishing cutting, let's set it aside. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 6 tablespoons of the water we cooked. The meat, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, the ginger, soup, caramelize a little more. At this point, it's bubbling a lot. It's almost ready. We can already add all our meat. Mix it. Here, we can even turn off the heat now. Mix well so that the sauce coats all the meat. Now we can put it on a plate, add green onions to taste, and that's it, our shogayaki, made with pork, super tender and super tasty.